Hey guys, saw this over at a Saab repair shop, and I've never seen one of these before. What is this? Literally a custom fabricated little back box on this truck. It's all made out of steel. Look at the edges, look how tight they are. Very, very nice. Custom bumper, custom hitch. He actually pulls something. Very cool. Look where the spare tire is. He actually put it into a diamond plate black with a little space designed for it. And it's got a flat clear on it. And you can see he used it. You can see it scratched up. It's got a place for the fuel. And it's got the typical Saab rims. And you can see where this is the front of the car. And you can see right there where the bodywork starts to be able to be custom fab. And he even put the drip rail all the way around. That must hold water. What year is this? Import Kit Replicar Nationals 2005. Maguire's. Very cool. Flat clear. Again, the hood itself is old. It's been painted a couple of times probably. Look at the little wiper washers. They're little wiper washers. They wipe the headlights. Look at those. Those are cute. Never seen that. Again, Saab, of course, they do that kind of thing. Very neat. 99 EMS, whatever. Don't know. The inside of the car is red. Looks like a wood dashboard, a wood steering wheel. And the underside, you can see. Very cool. A little short box. And you can actually see, if you look closely, you can see the shape of the wheel well. It's just all hand fabricated. None of it is actually stamped and done. A lot of sectioning, probably out of some large or some sort of flare side truck of some sort. BP gasoline. And the back window, of course, came out of something else. I don't recognize it, but yeah, that is a cool tool. Everything. The back tailgate, you can see. Very neat. Oh, you can see he's banged into something. A little blistering and so on. So it's an older body job, but again, very, very cool. Tailpipe sticking out. What's this? It actually says WASO, whatever that is. Anyways, guys, I have no idea what year it is, but it's a Saab. And do you think the front is a 900? Saab 900? I'm not sure. Look at those Saabs over there. So, very cool. Anyways, guys, SAN 379 out.